Whiskey Vault Soundcheck, Jason Eady.
All right. I'm gonna start with a brand new song. This is it's never been recorded, and but I wrote this. My wife and I went up for a writing weekend with our buddy Cody Jinks, and we got this song out of it. I've had enough of mean spirits taking me places I don't want to go. So I'm giving up on mean spirits. Gotta get back what's good for the soul. Well, I had to break up with the bottle. Started out fun, then it brought me down. And I had to ask myself some questions. And I had to get right with what I found. And I've had enough of mean spirits taking me places I don't want to go. So I'm giving up on mean spirits. Gotta get back what's good for the soul. Show me your friends and I'll show you your future. Find the ones you want to keep around, 'cause others, they're like crabs in a bucket. You start to get up and they pull you back down. And I've had enough of mean spirits taking me places I don't want to go. So I'm giving up on mean spirits. Gotta get back what's good for the soul. Well, everybody's screaming at each other, and everybody's got something to say. Just turn off your TV, talk to your neighbor, and be the reason somebody has a better day. And I've had enough of mean spirits taking me places I don't want to go. I'm giving up on mean spirits. Gotta get back what's good for the soul. Gotta get back what's good for the soul. All right. Thanks, y'all. All right, well, I want to do some songs. I just put a new album out here recently, and it's an album I've been wanting to make for a long time. It's the album's called Mississippi, because I grew up over around Jackson, Mississippi, and so I've been playing country music my whole life, but there was also this whole other side of that Mississippi sound that I've been wanting to capture for a long time. So I'll do some songs off of that. Bumming my way down Wayside, I got some time to kill. I start humming this melody, it won't let me stand still. I got a good thing coming, better get it before it's gone. I hear the guitar strumming. Sing that song. Starts out somewhere in the air out there, I catch it in the wind. Shows up out of the clear blue sky, feeling like an old friend. I got a good thing coming. Better get it before it's gone. I hear the guitar strumming. Sing that song. Well, I take comfort in the way the words sing me a melody. I wait till they find their rhythm, and I start tapping my feet. Well, tell me, can you feel that backbeat? Don't it make you wanna move? Don't forget it's okay to let it find your groove. I got a good thing coming. Better get it before it's gone. I hear the guitar strumming. Sing that song. Well, there'll be time enough tomorrow to find out what it all means. Tonight we're doing the cooking. First we gotta soak them beans. I got a good thing coming. Better get it before it's gone. I hear the guitar strumming. Sing that song. I got a good thing coming. Better get it before it's gone. I hear the guitar strumming. Sing that song. All right, thank you. All right, well, this is another one from that album, and this one came from a friend of mine, Adam Hood. We met up in Clarksdale, Mississippi, when I was deciding to write for this record, because Clarksdale is the home of the Delta Blues, and so we wanted to write a song that really captured that town and the feel there. So we got this one. This is called Mile Over 45. Gave half my life to the sawmill. I gave half my hand to the blade, and that's all that I have to show for every penny that he ever made. 'Cause Mr. Abrams can do what he wants to, but I may not come out alive. It's a long stretch of highway, but you better not go a mile over 45. He paved every road in the county. He owns all the land on both sides, but don't take your paycheck for freedom, 'cause that's when two worlds collide. 'Cause Mr. Abrams can do what he wants to, but I may not come out alive. It's a long stretch of highway, but you better not go a mile over 45. Each morning I stare down these crossroads and count all the steps to the line. It don't take long to come to my senses, push those thoughts out of my mind. 'Cause Mr. Abrams can do what he wants to, but I may not come out alive. It's a long stretch of highway, but you better not go a mile over 45. A mile over 45. All right, thanks, y'all. All right, I got time for one more song here. This is kind of the title track to this new album. The album's called Mississippi. This song's called Way Down in Mississippi, and it tells my musical journey. It's also a pretty special song for me because there's a guy in Mississippi that taught me how to play guitar. His name's J.C. Cannon, and he taught me a lot. And so I got to put his name in a song finally. I've been trying to do that for years, and finally got one. So this is Way Down in Mississippi. Way down in Mississippi, I got the music in my bones. I'll take you there if you wanna come with me. I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna go back home. Mama and Daddy always had something going, whether we was home or driving around. The very first thing that I remember, singing along to the country sound. Way down in Mississippi, I got the music in my bones. I'll take you there if you wanna come with me. I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna go back home. We went to church with a jumping and shouting, singing hallelujah and clapping hands. I joined in with that choir singing one day we're gonna join that angel band. Way down in Mississippi, I got the music in my bones. I'll take you there if you wanna come with me. I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna go back home. Tuesday nights we'd all get together, singing Ralph Stanley and Bill Monroe. I still love that bluegrass pick and learn to sing High Lonesome way down low. Way down in Mississippi, I got the music in my bones. I'll take you there if you wanna come with me. I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna go back home. Well, I grew up and I started playing, and it ain't Mississippi without the blues. Everything changed on that old front porch when J.C. Cannon taught me that groove. Way down in Mississippi, I got the music in my bones. I'll take you there if you wanna come with me. I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna go back home. Well, after a while I made my way to Texas. I learned how the poets did it their own way. But I wouldn't be here making this music if it weren't for the sound of my younger days. Way down in Mississippi, I got the music in my bones. I'll take you there if you wanna come with me. I'm gonna go back home. Way down in Mississippi, I got the music in my bones. I'll take you there if you wanna come with me. I'm gonna go back home. 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 All right. Thanks, y'all. y'all. Judgment Day? All right. Yeah, that goes right into that one. Those two kind of go together. When I hear night wind moan, when I hear the night wind moan, when I hear the night wind moan, they gonna roll away the stone. When I hear night wind moan, when I hear call my name, when I hear call my name, when I hear him call my name, I know my soul soon be saved. When I hear him call my name, oh my Lord, can't take back what came before. Get down on my knees and pray, bow my head, it's Judgment Day. When that crowd shall gather round, when that crowd shall gather round, when that crowd shall gather round, will they make a mournful sound? When that crowd shall gather round. Lay me down on this bed, lay me down upon this bed, lay me down upon this bed, let me rest my weary head. Lay me down on this bed. Oh my Lord, can't take back what came before. Get down on my knees and pray, bow my head, it's Judgment Day. Oh my Lord, can't take back what came before. Get down on my knees and pray, bow my head, it's Judgment Day. All right, thanks y'all. All right. Cool.
Oh, shit, I didn't even press record.
That was good.
Yeah.
Incredible.
So go ahead and start getting that flag.
Get what?
Get that flag. All right, guys.
Good stuff.
Yeah, it's cut.